particular constituency because we got maximum response on our email as well as our helpline from this particular constituency. When we put up this news that we are going ahead, Ravi is going political because that is the only option left with us, then we got maximum response from this particular area. Plus this area has got a lot of colleges and all. We have been in this movement for 8 months and we realized this was the only option left. Politics is not a dirty thing. We have to venture into it if we want to bring about a change, because that is where all the power and the resources lie. If you stay away from it, keep running an NGO for hundreds and thousands, there's nothing going to change. So we believe it's a process which takes time. Even 8 months back for me, a medical student going and attending his classes, somebody telling me go and campaign in politics, I would laugh at that person. Why would I need?
कभी सोचा नहीं था. बिफोर आई वॉज अ गाय, मेरे ख्याल से मैं अपने कॉलेज से ज़्यादा डिस्को में ज़्यादा गया. नेवर थॉट अबाउट लाइफ, क्या करना है कैसे करना है. लेकिन और यहाँ भी यूथ फॉर इक्वलिटी के रैली में भी तो जस्ट और ऐसे ही दोस्त लोग जा रहे हैं, मैं भी चल रहा हूँ सब साथ में. फिर एक आधा पैम्पलेट आया, इंग्लिश में था तो पढ़ने में अच्छा लगा. पढ़ते पढ़ते आई गॉट इंटरेस्टेड, देन आई केम टू नो दिस इज़ द थिंग. मैंने भी फेस किया है. आई वाज सपोज टू गेट एडमिशन इन GLC आफ्टर 78%, बट आई डिडंट गेट. आई मीन मिठी बात, तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि यार हाँ यार, कहीं ना कहीं मैं भी इससे हुआ हूँ.
People are paying like hell to get coverage from the media. We didn't pay a penny. We do not even properly so-called food. We do not provide snacks and all to the reporters who come. But we still got more coverage than even the mayor of the movement. They're coming out of choice, and because this is a news, this is a romanticized reality coming true. Youth coming forward, which we had seen only in the movies. We were also seen only in the TV by the people who are like these doctors or professionals are protesting. But right now they see us right in front of their houses. Actually they are doing something. They feel really good. Something is happening, something is really possible.
Whether I'm going to win or lose, whether I'm going to get vote or not. But thing is, इतने सारे लोग are agreeing to my point is a great victory for myself. I don't care whether they come to vote for me or not. But thing is, जब हम उनके घर पे जा रहे हैं, वो हमसे अपना मतलब बता रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ, हमारे बच्चे के साथ ऐसा हुआ. We agree to you, we'll come to vote. We are promising. Some of the volunteers when they go to their houses, उनको पानी खाना वाना, एक को तो खाना वाना खिला दिया, एक को लस्सी वस्सी पिलाया. This is the treatment we are getting. Or other part, it is a great experience. I think every person, every student, एक बार कभी ना कभी एज अ मार्केटिंग पर्सन कुछ ना कुछ लेके डोर टू डोर जाना चाहिए. यू कम टू मीट डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल, यू गेट टू कम्युनिकेट, यू गेट टू नो डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ पीपल.
Little bit two sentences about Youth for Equality. You are like, our organization Youth for Equality, we have been protesting against caste-based reservations. We are not saying the reservation should not be there, but they should be there on the basis of merit and lack of economic opportunity. Means if a student has intelligence but has no money to afford education, give him quota. But if you give 50% quota on the basis of caste, it's unfair on the other people who get 95% marks but can't get admission. And people with 40% people who are in the category, they get admission, so it is very unfair and unjust. That is what we are trying to say. Then you ask them, uncle, do you think reservation should be there or not? If you ask questions to them, they feel involved. So they start having discussions with you. If you just keep talking, they'll be a bit bored, okay? So then he'll say, okay, even I think I'm against reservation. Most of the people are against reservation. Like, very nice to hear that, uncle. So now all we are saying is, we, after protesting so much, realize that just protesting won't get us anywhere. We have to take some constructive steps. We have to try to be a part of the system to change the system. Then only we can make some progress. So we, the Youth for Equality, have decided to field a candidate from this ward itself on the 1st February BMC elections. Then you had them in your pamphlet, show them. The candidate is Sanjeev Shukla. He is a 23-year-old law student from Mithai College. Uncle, all of us are students only, as you can see. I am an engineering student, art student. Our whole organization comprises of educated youth, students and professionals. Again, another important statement. So that is it. So again ask him, uncle, do you think it's the right thing we are doing? Educated youth are trying to come ahead and take some responsibility. So obviously everyone will say, yeah, it's the right thing to do. So uncle, since you are in agreement with us, all we are asking is, finally when the educated youth are taking responsibility, please give us one opportunity. Because since the last 50 years, there has been no organization of youth who are ready to do something constructive and trying to enter politics. Every youth thinks that politics is dirty, we should stay away from it. But when finally we are ready to manage both education like this, just give us the opportunity to do so. Because we are sick of politicians and their vote bank politics and corruption and blah blah blah.
He is the person, he is from the reserve category. He himself is the, he is in OBC category.
उसके नाम से ही समझ जाता है नेम प्लेट से कि रिजर्व में है कि नहीं. So you ask him first, उसने स्टार्टिंग में पूछने का, what is your opinion? Should reservation be there or should not be there? He says, I think it should be there. Like, uncle, that's exactly what our organization is saying. Reservation should be there, but on the basis of merit, not on the basis of, and don't say caste in that case. It should be there on the basis of merit, and it should be there for the people who deserve it, not the people in the creamy layer who reap all the advantages of reservation. ऐसा बोलेगा. So basically, and then if it's in the reserve category now, focus on youth more than reservations. Don't talk about reservations. Say that we are the educated youth, educated youth, educated youth. Just keep saying youth, youth, youth again and again. He's the youth candidate Sanjay, 23 years old. So basically, you hammer that into their brains that educated youth are coming ahead, and they are almost everyone is happy about that. And then you say to them, after that you take the phone number and everything. When they're finally convinced, you say, uncle, one last thing. Our main motto is to spread awareness about this. And since we are students, we are managing lectures in the morning, coming here in the evening. ऐसा थोड़ा ऐसे करके बोलने का. So they feel little sympathetic towards it. So uncle, all we are asking is tell all your friends, your relatives about such things, because it is very hard for us to cover every house. Since we are not a political party and we don't have that much manpower.
Indonesia.